11:40. Let's see if we're docked in Nassau. Oh my gosh. I thought I heard us grooving this morning. There's a Carnival ship. And there's MSC Seascape backing into their port. That's the Royal Caribbean new beach place. Wow. You need clothes on, babe. It's so interesting. They even have this in Spanish. There's a lot of Spanish-speaking people on our cruise.
I know.
They even do announcements in Spanish. Yeah, they have Carnival, a roller coaster. That's pretty cool. Cute. All right, Landon, they brought you Nestle Cocoa Mix and hot water. Mom got coffee. We've got fruit. The fruit's terrible. It's like melons and kiwi. Fruit Loops with milk. And then a hot bagel with cream cheese. Oh, look at the milk for the cereal. Alright, we are ready to head out to the cruise pool. I love the Disney Dream pool deck. Hopefully it's not too crowded. It's supposed to be a beautiful 80-degree day today. I have my new swim cover up from Yacht Club that I love. I just wore it this trip at the pool at the hotel and today. And so I'll show you the itinerary. I did a screen record of it, and we're a little bummed because they are not doing trick or treat. Last year on the Magic, we went through Cabanas or whatever they have, the buffet, and they had trick or treat stops. And Lana was like, "Mom, why did we come on here on a Halloween if there's no trick or treating?" Apparently they give you a bag of candy, and then there's a cute Halloween show, which I'm sure it's cute. Maybe we did see it on the Magic. I don't remember. Yeah, we did. So they're in their costumes. So I'm sure it's going to be adorable. And I thought maybe there was like a late night Halloween party, but it's just like the 7 o'clock one. There's Beauty and the Beast, and we just saw it on the Treasure in August. So I don't know. We're going to play that one by ear if we want to go, because it'll be the 8:30, because we are actually going to go to dinner tonight. I think it's at Royal Palace. And we'll meet our table mates. I'm sure we did not get a private table. And we'll be in our costumes. Haunted Mansion and Constance Hatchway, the same that we did for the Halloween party in Magic Kingdom. The Dream went into dry dock and got refurbished recently. And I'm so happy. That was one of my cons. I'll link it below in my Disney Dream pros and cons video. And they did not have the delicious Mexican food like on the Wish and Treasure on the pool deck. And now they do. So I'm excited to get Mexican food for lunch. And
I'm excited, Mexico.
No. You want to say hi? No, you go get your bathing suit on. She's obsessed with Teenage Vampirina. She's listening to it on her iPad. Landon, get your stuff on. It's going to be crowded at the pool. We might hop off if we have time. They have a lot of cool stuff today in the kids club for her. And hopefully I brought my Kindle that I can read a little by the pool deck, and I'll probably get in the pool with her. So we're looking forward to having a happy Halloween. I wish my husband was here, but he's so busy working. He's going to be exhausted by the time we get home. He's working like 14, 16-hour days every day that we're gone while we're on a cruise. He says that's why he works so hard. So thank you, honey. I love you.
Can I?
I don't know. Do you think it's like, it looks like it's sitting out so you could grab one?
I'm going to grab one.
All right.
Trick-or-treating.
That's cool.
Skittles. I got the 2 mascots.
I want to see their door. Oh, wow. They did. I thought about getting that, the Haunted Mansion thing. Oh, yeah. It says Happy Please take 1 or 2. Oh, I love their door.
Best Halloween ever.
That's so cool. Oh, I love these. They have a great door.
There's something behind those balloons. I just know it. Try popping them.
There's glass straight down. What if you just fall? I see our spooky ghost. Love coming back to a clean room. You go in? Are you in?
Mhm.
Look how good it is. Oh, look, they hung my loungefly. Oh, hi, Aurora. We had a fun day on the pool deck. It's almost, oh, it is 2 o'clock. So we were out there for 4 hours. Wow. She really enjoyed all the pools. Met some nice people. I love the dream pool deck. We only had 1 slice of pizza each. So, and the pizza's really good. They use like actual dough here. Where I feel like on the Treasure and the Wish it was like a frozen pizza crust. So we had a frozen virgin and non-virgin pina colada. I had to go into the adult area to get that. They didn't have any blenders. Oh, something tragic happened in the main pool. So it was literally roped off for a very long time. It was beautiful and like 80 degrees, and then it got hotter as the day went on. So we're gonna take a bath, and we're gonna relax in the room for a bit, and then it's costume time tonight. I'm kind of debating going to dinner again. I kind of just like want to get maybe food by the pool because that's open until 6, and then see Beauty and the Beast at 6, and then do trick-or-treating. I just don't feel like doing like an hour and a half dinner. So we'll see. I'll ask her what she wants to do. And we have our Stitch popcorn bucket, so we can get cheap popcorn for Beauty and the Beast. So we will see you when we are haunted mansioned up as Constance Hatchaway. And I'm the Haunted Mansion wallpaper again. It's 4 o'clock and we're hungry. Lana got the tendies. I got soup. We got some sparkling. This was the new salad. It was kind of like a caprese. Looks pretty good. Soup was good. Lana, you're not supposed to be doing that. So we are headed out for Halloween festivities. I'm gonna get a picture in front of the tree, and we're skipping dinner and doing Beauty and the Beast and a popcorn in adorable Stitch popcorn bucket. We're so excited. Just fun.
This yellow, ew.
I'll put it in my bag. You can have it later. For Beauty and the Beast. Right here. The line for the Halloween tree pictures is absolutely insane. Look at Pinocchio. So cute. I love seeing all these costumes. It's amazing. That's another Constance, Landon. See the Constance on the staircase?
Yeah. What the?
So it's right behind the pumpkin. I can't believe the lady didn't show us this. Yeah.
And what's next?
Alright. See. He's been in here to turn your bed down. Oh my gosh! Hold on. That is so cool. Happy Halloween. Is it 0? looks like 0. All right, we have to run up. Beauty and the Beast was amazing, wasn't it? Landon's, there's like candy buckets outside people's staterooms. She's been trick-or-treating. I think the cast is better on The Dream than The Treasure. Really enjoyed it. I was like, we just saw it 2 months ago, but we loved it, didn't we, Landon? Gaston was good. LeFou was hysterical. All right, we're gonna run up, get some candy, and watch a Halloween-y show. Landon! Stop. Landon, you have to come this way. You have Look at the spider. Landon's loot.
Okay, need to get in bed with you. Got yourself a loot?
Are you getting in bed?
Yeah, why? Why you get yourself a loot?
Why? Because I like candy and it's Halloween. I don't eat it often, do I? Wow, that's a lot of candy. Oh, look, it's those cards again. I tried to sell the ones from The Treasure.
Heck, I got some
They got
too.
like $50 a piece for them. I wonder if these are worth anything. Cool. I like M&Ms. I wish you hadn't traded M&Ms.
Huh?
I like M&Ms. I'll trade you M&Ms.
I think it's
For Skittles? Skittle gummies.
Yeah, I'll trade you. Okay. What are these skull gummies?
Skittle gummies.
I'll trade. Hey, how about we trade candies?
Oh, Skittle gummies. Skittle gummies.
Trade you some M&Ms for some Skittle gummies.
All right, you want original or wild berry?
Original.
Okay. Hey, Lana, what did you think of the masquerade party, the dance party?
Well, I liked it.
You did? It was a little chaotic.
Oh.
I don't remember the masquerade party on the Magic. Maybe I have to go back and watch that video. So we were on the Halloween cruise on the Magic last year. And this was very chaotic. And the way the Dream is laid out, it's like the middle is high and then the two areas are low. And you can't see the stage at all. So, and then they bring the characters through, which is kind of cool and chaotic. But I wouldn't do it again. Would you do it again? You weren't. You said you wanted to go back to the room. Like they just kind of dance, and there was no like story. Like you know, with the pirate one, there's a story like how to become a pirate, and Captain Hook comes out. Like it's good. Like there was no story to this one. I think they could do better. I didn't really enjoy it very much. I wouldn't do it again. But yeah, we had a lovely day. What was your favorite part of the day? Right now? Yeah. Eating candy. Landon's exhausted. She swam for like 4 hours. And my favorite part of the day was it was a beautiful weather day. I really enjoyed it. It was fun that we got to spend Halloween on the high seas. And seeing everyone in their costumes was amazing. It was I would definitely do Halloween again on a Disney cruise. It was so much fun.
Okay.
I love seeing the characters.
Mom?
Hold on, Lana. I'm glad we skipped dinner and went to the show early because otherwise we'd be in the show right now and we're tired. So we're going to eat some candy, get ready for bed, and tomorrow is Lookout Lighthouse, Lookout Key, something or other, and we're so excited. Are you excited to go to the island tomorrow?
Yes, and Mom.
We're going to go to breakfast and get some triangle hash browns and apples for the room. All right, thanks for watching. Oh, I didn't say, if you like, subscribe, leave a comment, I will give away the Disney Cruise Beach and wet dry bag. Bye. I say bye. What about Happy Halloween?
Happy Halloween! Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe.